Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking back in on oil, a bit of a disappointing day for the bulls, just in the sense that we didn't see follow through. Saw a pretty big pullback. We are still maintaining some higher lows. I'm looking down at support of 52.54 and 52.20, and the low of today we bounced off of, see here, it was down at 52.83. Still maintaining higher lows, but obviously a big pullback from where we were yesterday. There's a bit of a steep downtrend line we can be watching. Just keeping an eye on that level. Breaking that wouldn't change the trend. We're going to have to break higher lows and higher highs on the hourly, but that is just something that I would keep an eye on, as we clearly are rejecting from this level. So let's zoom out and check back in on the 4-hour chart, because that's what gave us the clear bull break. Rid of some clutter here. So the clear bull break bounced or broke through 53.49 resistance after 5 rejections, and the ideal scenario for the bulls would have been to maintain that level on the first back test of support, which we did on the first 4-hour candlestick, but then the dump came in and big setback for the bulls. So where we stand from here, lack of follow through on the daily time frame. Still maintaining some higher lows, but obviously not what the bulls wanted to see. We'll be keeping an eye on this uptrend line. And on the weekly time frame, we also don't have continuation, where we had that bullish reversal candlestick after a couple weeks of consolidation. Some nice follow through to start the week, but then today ruined that. And we're not confirming that bullish reversal candlestick. It's a doji of indecision, and this doji is not coming at the top of an uptrend or at the bottom of a downtrend, so it's not signaling any kind of reversal or anything. It's just telling us there's a battle between the bulls and the bears this week, and nobody won. We ended up right around the middle, and we're going to have to see next week who comes out on top. So where that leaves us with USO is right back in that channel. So again, after that bull break, bulls wanted to see some follow through and a break of 1163 to higher highs, and we didn't get that. We're back in the channel with middle Bollinger Band resistance of 1143, but still maintaining support of 1123. On the verge of a bullish MACD cross, but we're going to have to break 1158 and 1163 in order to see a clear bullish break on the daily time frame. And on the weekly time frame, bulls still holding that middle Bollinger Band. You see the lower wicks the past couple of weeks. So the bulls have been buying from the low $11 range here on USO on the weekly time frame. And in the video yesterday, I pointed out the discrepancy between the oil chart and USO, and that was not because of a contract rollover, but it was because Martin Luther King Day, the market was closed, but oil was continuing to trade, and that was that discrepancy there. So the bulls are on the brink of a break. We have the bullish MACD cross very close. A red flag would be a loss of the 50-day moving average support and a break of 1121 support. That would be a short-term red flag for the bulls, and it might indicate the bears are about to take back over. And a break of 1163 will be a big sigh of relief for the bulls on USO. So heading into tomorrow with a week of indecision, nobody came out on top between the bulls and the bears this week. We'll have to see how we start next week. We'll check back in as always. Have a great weekend.